Well, most of y'all already figured it out, I'm quite sure, what the pizza peel was all about. I think some of you know, that know anything about me really, how much I enjoy like bringing back the old. And that's what I do here. This is actually a old barbecue grill if you went to the park. This particular one is a unit you would share with someone else if you went camping or a park. It's back to back, it's 2 units and not just one. It's been turned into a pizza oven if you haven't figured that out already. So it was restored, had some welding to do. The chassis itself was really twisted, seriously bad. It was on a single pole, and now as you can see I have it on a frame with 4 casters, a huge wood shelf underneath there, and 2 cooking surfaces. I have it like this. I made the top so the top will pivot back so that I can, it's not just a pizza oven, which I don't even know how well it's going to cook or if it's going to cook it, but a pizza. But I want to be able to use it as a grill also. All right, because I'm anxious, I'm gonna go ahead and get this door closed, or this top closed on here. It's got some weight to it. I guarantee you ain't buying nothing like this at the store. I'm curious to see if this thing keeps burning. It should have all the air gaps in it. Or does it just smoke out? Or choke out? Excuse the wobble of the camera. And that fire is just really getting started. If I can see, I'm gonna have to do something up here in the front. If I even worry about it. We'll play with some. All right, while this is burning, I'm gonna go ahead and get the next piece ready, which is the griddle plate. I also have a 1/4-inch steel piece of, 3/16 steel that I had sandblasted. And all of this was sandblasted too. But you can tell it's not brand new, it's loved. But anyhow, I got a steel plate I want to get in there and also get it seasoned. Let me get some oil on it. Got another coat of grease on there. Going to season it all up. So far, so good. Did I mention this thing is heavy? Good God. That fire's going to have to be built a little farther forward. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, I'm only 187 degrees, it said. 197, so that fire is going to have to come forward without a doubt. But again, I mean, it's only been minutes. The grease hadn't even. Back there, I'm at 404. Fire hasn't even really got going yet. Fire is only 500, 800 and 700, 800, 891. That's 500, 498. I just turned this plate around because I wanted to get some heat on this side of it too. It is 300, 430. Handle at 110. But feels fine to me. 102 on that one. Top at the front is 149. Let's see how difficult it is to stir up this fire. Not bad at all. I'm pretty happy with it myself. Let's see if we can't get it a little bit hotter yet. All right, we're gonna have to get this wrapped up. Clouds are coming in, wind's picking up. About ready for another one of them storms that have been coming through here past few nights. But that's it. That's the new Park grill, two-sided. Double Park grill that I had sandblasted. I painted it. Had the Amish make the dome for me and cut the front door and weld in the chimney stack. But other than twisting the cabinet back straight, that was the hardest daggone thing. It took two of us with about a 10-foot long piece of 1/2-inch thick I-beam hooked on the front ledge. And just kept yanking on it, till finally we got it straightened up. The base was made by the Amish also. Gotta give them credit for that. So, I can't wait to cook a pizza.